Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the replay exists and the app version supports it. This prevents missing features later. Next, enable recording or performance logs so the replay has full data. Choose 1080p or 60 FPS for clarity. Then select the exact match or session you want and press replay, then start to enter replay mode. Do this now so you load the correct timeline. Once it opens, you'll be ready to control playback precisely and avoid corrupted captures. Once you're inside replay mode, use the timeline scrubber and frame step controls to find the exact moment. This gives frame-accurate editing. Make sure to add bookmarks and tags so you can return to highlights quickly and attach annotations if you'll export commentary later. You should also switch camera modes, free, follow, top-down, or cinematic, to capture the best angle. Doing so lets you explain or showcase actions clearly. If performance lags, lower playback quality temporarily to keep scrubbing smooth. To finish, prepare export settings. Choose format, bitrate, and resolution, then preview the clip to verify audio and camera choices. This prevents wasted renders. Save both the project file and a final media copy so you can re-edit without re-recording. If export fails or playback shows gaps, clear the app cache and restart. If problems persist, re-record the session with lower quality or different performance logging enabled. That single troubleshooting step resolves most corrupted or missing replay scenarios quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.